In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate compound interest in Google Sheets. We'll walk through each step together so that by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the process and have your own Google Sheet capable of calculating compound interest automatically. Let's start by opening a Google Sheet. If you're familiar with Google Docs, you'll find this very straightforward. Simply navigate to Google Sheets in your web browser and open a new or existing file where you'll perform the calculations. Now that your sheet is open, the first thing you'll need to do is select a cell where you'll input the compound interest formula. For this tutorial, we'll be using cell B7, but you can choose any cell that suits your layout. Click on the cell to select it, and then prepare to enter the formula. The compound interest formula that we'll use is critical here. It's a blend of arithmetic operations carefully structured. In cell B7, you'll want to type in the formula B1, 1 plus B2, B3, B3, B4. To break it down, B1 is your principal amount, B2 is the annual interest rate, B3 is the number of times the interest is compounded per year, and B4 is the number of years the money is invested or borrowed for. This formula will allow the Google Sheet to calculate compound interest based on these inputs. Once your formula is in place, you'll need to hit the Enter key. Doing this will prompt Google Sheets to calculate the compound interest based on the values in those respective cells. If everything is correct, you should see a new value in cell B7, which is the compound interest calculated accordingly. After computing your initial setup, you can experiment by updating any of the inputs to see how they affect the compound interest results. For example, try changing the value in cell B2, which stands for the interest rate. By adjusting this percentage, you can observe how the changes in interest rates impact the final calculation. This is particularly useful if you're comparing different investment opportunities or financial scenarios. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet is ready to compute compound interest with any variations you might want to explore. This setup can be adapted for more complex financial calculations if needed, like varying interest rates over time or additional contributions to the principal. By following these steps, you'll be able to handle compound interest in a structured and efficient manner, empowering you to make more informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.